Hello everyone, welcome and thanks for watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this tutorial I will show you how to fix Safari slow to load on iPhone and iPad and how to speed up Safari. Before start, please don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon for latest video notifications. Let's start. Solution number 1. Force close Safari app and restart your iPhone. If you are using iPhone 10 and later models, then swipe up the screen from bottom to center. Next, swipe the app's preview to close. If you are using iPhone 8 Plus and earlier model, then double press the home button and swipe up the app's preview to close, like this. Next, restart your iPhone. To restart iPhone, tap Device, tap More, tap Restart, tap again Restart to confirm. Solution number 2. Clear history and website data in Safari. For that, first launch Settings, find and tap on Safari, scroll down and tap Clear history and website data. Tap again Clear history and data to confirm. Solution number 3. Close unnecessary tab in Safari. For that, first launch Safari. Next, tap two square icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap cross to close the tab or swipe left the screen to close the tab. Solution number 4. Turn off Safari suggestions and JavaScript. For that, first launch Settings, then scroll down and find Safari. Tap Safari. Now turn off Safari suggestions. Next, scroll down and tap on Advanced and turn off JavaScript. Solution number 5. Reset network settings. To reset network settings, first launch Settings, tap General, tap Reset network settings, put your passcode and tap again Reset network settings to confirm. Solution number 6. Check for software update. To check software update, launch Settings, connect to Wi-Fi, then go to General, tap Software Update and update your iPhone if available. Solution number 7. Turn off background app refresh. Safari runs slow due to background activity. Turn off background app refresh might help to boost the Safari performance. For that, first launch Settings, then go to General, tap background app refresh, tap again and select off. Solution number 8. Turn off automatic app updates. For that, first launch Settings, then tap on your profile name, then go to iTunes and App Store and turn off app updates. That's it. Friends, if you found this video helpful, then please like and share as well. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.